guys, welcome to this vlog. This is so exciting right now. I was gonna wait a minute to tell you, but I'll just tell you right now. You might know this from the title of this video. I'm not sure if I'm putting it in the title, but I'm on a brand new camera right now. Woo! Can you tell? I don't know if you can tell. I'm like nervous because this is the first time I'm filming with this. I don't know if I'm in focus. I don't know if the autofocus is quiet. I don't know how the audio sounds. So let me know. Let me know if you can see like the difference. This is the Canon EOS M50, and the whole reason I decided I want this was because if you guys know Rachel Gretchen here on YouTube, love her YouTube videos, her Instagram's so cute. Actually, we recorded for my podcast this past week, so as you're watching this, it'll be the last podcast episode I have up on Happy Hour Podcast. You should definitely go listen because it turned out so well, and I don't know, I feel like Rachel and I are just really similar. We had such a good conversation. We could talk like all day long, but basically I was watching a bunch of her YouTube videos and texting her like, dude, what vlog camera do you use? Because I can tell it's not the Canon G7X. Like, that's the vlog camera that I have used for years and years now. Like, this is probably the 10th one, and it's just so nice that it's so compact, fits in a lot of my bags. So I'm worried about this one that I'm filming on right now because it's not going to fit in a lot of my bags. Right as she told me it was the Canon EOS M50, I was like, wait a minute. This was the vlog camera that I was looking at like 2 years ago, and I got too nervous about how much like bigger it was and heavier it was, but I just feel like the quality is so good, it's worth it. It has like the detachable lens, which is why I wanted it in the first place, because I really want to get like a wide angle lens. If you guys know how those videos look, I just love the feel and like vibe of when you're watching a video filmed with a wide angle lens. It feels so like open and airy. Hopefully this isn't too heavy for me to like vlog with. I know a lot of people vlog with it, Rachel was telling me, and I feel like it's on a tripod right now, so maybe that'll be like easier to hold and vlog with. I set you guys down because I didn't know like how it was gonna go. See, I already feel like I need a wide angle lens because I feel like you guys are so close when I'm holding you right here, but this is just going to be a packing vlog. Preparing. We are packing and heading to Laguna Beach. Woohoo! You guys know I love Laguna so much. It is one of my most favorite places on planet Earth. It's so magical. It's so beautiful. It's always perfect weather, so sunny, so nice. It is just like heaven on earth, and I love it there so much. And I have friends there. My whole management team is out there, and I miss them so much. And we're fully vaxxed. I was about to say the phrase I keep seeing around, like vaxxed and waxed for the summer, except not waxed over here. I'll just stick with my razor. I can't even get my eyebrows waxed, you guys. Like, it hurts way too bad. Anyway, we're fully vaxxed. Hold the wax. And we're going to Laguna Beach, and I can't wait. We're going for 5 days. I'm so happy that you can't see this couch right now. It's filled with clothes that I just like chucked on it earlier, thinking like I want to pack this, but I kind of have to like go through, sort through it, pick out outfits. Oh my goodness, you guys, I need a break from packing, and I like barely did anything. I just kind of sorted through like, this is all the things definitely want to bring, maybe want to bring, gonna like try it on. My packing cubes. Packing is exhausting. I need a rest. I need to lay down. But here is the camera in this type of view in the mirror. What do we think? Do we like her? I feel like it is more crisp. I don't know if I can really tell while I'm filming, but maybe while I'm editing, like afterwards, I'll be able to notice. I don't know. Also, you guys, I feel like this is so random of me because it's like a packing day. Obviously, like no makeup or anything, just like loaded up on moisturizer. But I just felt so unput together. So I put in my little earrings, my little twisty earrings, and I did the air wrap. I did the air wrap. That's not the right word to say it. I air wrapped my hair, which I feel like is so funny to have like a blowout with no makeup and sweatpants and a tank top, like sweating packing. But yeah, I just felt more put together. Oh, another thing we gotta do before we go, you guys, is I love switching up my phone case, especially if I'm like going on vacation or somewhere. I want to find one that just gives me like beach vibes. I've had this one on for a bit now. I always go back to this one because it's so cute. But let's switch out my phone case right now. All right, we went with this case. Shocker. It's from Casetify. You guys know all my cases are from Casetify. It kind of reminded me of like sand a little bit, the texture of it. I just love this one. It's so like neutral. My vibe, I feel like it's so chic. It's actually customized. If you guys didn't know, you can customize your Casetify phone cases. So this just has my name, but it's really subtle. If you can see it down there, if I hold it really close. Casetify has so many designs and prints and colors, and you can customize them, like I said, with your name, with your initials, initials, like a monogram, so that it's just how you want it. Thank you so much, Casetify, for sponsoring this video, by the way. You guys know I'm obsessed with their cases. I'm going to show you a bunch of the ones I have. Look who's come to join, you guys. Here is a bunch of my Casetify phone cases right here. These ones are actually all the impact case. They actually have a 2-layer construction of Chi-Tech to just make them extra protective. Their cases are so slim, as you can see, but so protective. And the impact cases are drop test approved for drops up to 6.6 feet. As always, amazing. These have saved my phone so many times. So here's just a bunch, obviously my name, GLB, if you know, you know. This girl I love. This is such a good travel one too. And actually their phone cases also have an antimicrobial coating, which kills 99% of bacteria, keeps your phone germ free. And I know that their impact and ultra impact cases are actually made of 50% recycled material, so you can feel good about your phone looking great. I'll have Casetify linked down below. My link is stayed the same. It's just casetify.com/Gretchen. You can get 15% off your new favorite phone case, especially if you're getting a new phone. You should totally get a Casetify case because you do not want to damage your new phone. I have never harmed my phone in a Casetify case. They are so protective. So now we're just going to keep unpacking. Max actually just ran to Target to get some last minute things before travel, and yeah, I just gotta organize this suitcase situation. Oh my god, it's so bad. And like fill up my packing cubes, get my shoes, my toiletries. What do you think of my big rig?
Wow, you gonna be able to carry that thing the whole time?
I don't know, it's kind of heavy. Maybe you can carry it.
I need to take it for a spin.
You can run around and film me.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, don't show them all my junk. I have junk everywhere.
Oh yeah, well that's hard. You have junk everywhere. See, now I'm gonna be looking over here at me.
I know.
But that's where the camera is.
Because that's what I was telling them. Normally the viewfinder's above.
Right above. Yeah.
But on this one, it's on the side.
So I'm always gonna be looking to the side.
Yeah. Losing steam.
I'm losing it.
You're probably already ahead of me and you just started.
Yeah, but I just realized I don't have any socks, and I need socks.
You can go buy some right now.
I go get some, and maybe some more t-shirts. Some chub outline.
Oh, I was gonna say we don't know what we want. We've decided.
Chub outline.
I kind of want the taco.
Okay.
Remember when I used to do tacos?
Yeah, you can do tacos.
Maybe I'll do tacos. I'm just tired and want to like get in bed, but I haven't finished packing. Hate when that happens. And I always feel like I'm not gonna wait till the last minute this time. And it always ends up being nighttime, like it's almost dinner time. It's just one of those days. What are you packing, sir?
All his toys.
Oh, okay. I didn't tell them about why we're going to the Cape, so now let's tell them quick. Okay. Plan is Brody is not coming with. He's not attending, sadly. So we are going to drive to Cape Cod tomorrow morning, and we fly out 2 days later. But this way we can leave Brody at Max's mom's house. Are you picking your nose over there?
No, I was actually scratching my face. Tell me if I was picking.
And yeah, so Brody's going to be vacationing on Cape Cod while we are vacationing in Laguna, and he's gonna have so much fun. And so then we fly out of Boston, fly back into Boston, and then we'll be on the Cape for Memorial Day weekend when we're back, which will be so good. So that's the plan. It's kind of elaborate.
No, not
That's
really.
all right. Well, in my mind, we're like backtracking, going to Boston and then flying out of Boston, but it's so that Brody can have a beach vacay while we're having a beach vacay, just somewhere different. Oh, and the whole reason this started, might I add, is because of Max. This is why we're really going.
Don't put it on me.
Oh, well, I mean, I want to go, of course. But you sparked the idea in my head because he came home from practice one day and he was like, everyone on my team in the locker room is talking about where they're going on vacay after the season's over. Like, why aren't we going on vacay? And I'm like, well, I never thought about it. Never had a conversation about it. Someone's like, okay. And I was like, we gotta go to Laguna. I miss it there so bad. We went not last September, but the September before. September of 2019, correct? Yeah. That's when we went. So good. Staying at the same place. You're holding in a yawn, I can tell.
No.
That's the plan. Lagoonsy. I can't wait. So it's your fault. I was gonna say I surprised you, but like not, well, kind of. Well, we were like Laguna, but then I was like, surprise, I booked it. Oh, and I had 1,000,000 miles for Delta because I haven't flown since February, or no, March, right before the pandemic happened, 2020. So I haven't used my miles, and I used to like use them like crazy. So we didn't even pay for our flights, which is so nice. And I was like, surprise, I booked it. Now Venmo me half.
Yeah, that was a great surprise, the Venmo request.
Brody. There's so much going on. Don't look at all the clothes in there. But I just whipped out the camera. Well, first of all, I realized I've been in the office the whole entire vlog so far, so that's boring. But a Revolve package just came in the mail, which one comes probably like every day in this household. But this is so exciting because that came obviously right in time for our Laguna trip. And basically, the most dangerous thing on Revolve for me is the reminders of when something comes back in stock. I have like a million signed up for like my email so that when it comes back in stock, I get email and I buy it right away. So 2 days ago, because they have 2-day shipping, I ordered this and I think it's the cutest pink little tank ever. And since it went back in stock, I was like, I need that for Laguna. And you agreed. It's the cutest thing you ever did see.
I agree. Thumbs up.
Right?
I'm going to pull and come back.
Okay, bye.
And socks.
Okay.
I don't have any socks.
Oh, yikes. Icky.
Socks. Maybe a couple of t-shirts. I don't know.
Oh.
Be back.
You'll give us a haul?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay now.
Love you, bye now. We always say bye now. Bye now. Okay, Max has a haul for us.
Tell me when. Are you going?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Socks.
Okay.
Nike.
Great. I learned the hard way. You don't like black socks because I got you black socks once, but Max likes white socks.
Yes.
I think because his skin's really fair. He likes the white one.
Now t-shirts.
Okay.
Adidas.
Oh, love it.
Right? Cool.
Great. So cute.
Hip.
Very you.
Cool. Hip.
Yeah.
That's what the cool kids are wearing these
Love
days.
it.
This one. A little funky, little fun.
Okay.
Bang.
Great.
Nike.
Just do it, huh?
Wow. Can you see me wearing this down in the pool? Come
Yeah.
on. Couple of nachos over here. Chip and guac. Pina colada.
So these are for specifically vacay.
Oh yeah. I don't know.
We
Why
love
not?
it. Love it, love it.
Fun.
So fun.
Like neon, vacation-y.
Yeah, great.
Okay. There we
Next
go.
up.
What's fun?
What is it?
Another Nike shirt.
Great! Oh my god, I love that one.
Stripesy.
I really like it. I've never seen one like that.
Yeah, right?
Looks fantastic.
Nice little heavier material.
Yeah, these are gonna be so
Be a
cute
nice
on
little,
you.
like, going out shirt. I don't know.
Thank you for your haul, Max.
And that's all I got. I didn't get you anything.
That's okay.
Sorry.
Do you think I need
got you
any more
chocolate.
clothes? Yeah, you did give me chocolate. I don't need any more clothes. We're all
No,
good.
you don't.
Thank you
That's
for
what I
your
got.
haul.
There we go.
Thanks for sharing. Okay, this doesn't look that pretty, but I got tacos. I'm so excited. Sorry, none for you. Kibble again. Got a bowl. Oh, that's like a big one.
Big Thunder.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
I wanted to show you guys my suitcase all organized and packed up, and then I forgot, and I've been so focused that I zipped it all up, so sorry. You saw a little bit of the process earlier. So this is all packed for Laguna. I just want to throw my little tripod in there. I put all my heavy stuff. Pro tip, I mean, I don't know if this is a pro tip. This is just what I have to do. This probably isn't even like the right way. But, so my suitcase isn't overweight, which I am not used to having to pack for the airport since I haven't been at the airport in like a year and a half or whatever. And so I forget that I can't just like cram my suitcase full like I've been able to for the past year if I'm going anywhere, like if I'm going to my mom's or something, because I am just throwing it in my car, you know, like this has to go on a plane, like there's a weight limit. So yeah, I have my carry-on suitcase filled with all the heavy stuff so that this bag is less heavy. Like I have clothes in here, but all my travel toiletries, which luckily I have like tiny travel size of everything, so it's not over like the carry-on size limit. You guys know what I'm talking about. The toiletry bags get really heavy, and shoes, so I put all of that in there. And then this is going to be my personal item, just like big tote bag. This is so good for travel. I really only use it for travel or like beach bag because it stands up on its own. That was the point of me showing you that. And so it's just like really nice to like roll it along your little carry-on suitcase. Book. Oh, it's getting all messed up. I have a bag in there, another bag with just like travel stuff, face masks. And then I thought that was it. Nope. This duffel is stuff that I'm just going to leave on the Cape since we're going to be there for a couple days for a trip, a couple days after. That's stuff that I want on the Cape. This is my little travel outfit tomorrow for driving to the Cape. Just comfy rainbows to go with. I think that is all. This is like taking some getting used to the new camera and like traveling with both cameras. I'm going to bring the other one as a backup, especially if we're like going out to dinner or something and I don't want to bring the bigger one. I'll have my other camera, that's like the little one I showed you earlier, as an option. I had one issue when I was filming with this earlier, and the viewfinder would just like not stay on. So if you guys like have tips for this camera, like know how to work it, let me know. I literally don't know how to work it. I don't know if I'm in the right setting right now. I'm really crossing my fingers that the audio is okay. I have a mic. It's quite big, so if I had the mic on here, that might just be like a whole lot for vlogging, so I really hope this is okay since I haven't filmed with this before today, like I said. Sorry this vlog was like boring. I feel like it's just me showing you my new camera, packing up, and spilling the tea that we are going to Laguna Beach. I wish you would come cuddle with us, but you love your crate. We're gonna wait to pack this up till the morning since Brody always ends up in here at least some part in the night because he freaking loves his crate. Max is tucked. I need to be. I'm so freaking tired. Oh, see, the viewfinder just did the weird thing again. Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you guys.
I was curious if this would take better pictures than your camera.
Than my other camera?
Than your like phone, like still picture.
I'm sure it does.
You think so?
Yeah, I'm sure it's really good quality. We should test it out.
Okay.
Right now.
No.
Yeah, I'm sure it does, but iPhone pictures are just, they're so easy, you know, you don't have to transfer them over. Quick, easy, bada bing, bada boom. I think that's it for our packing vlog. It took me all day and took Max total
10 minutes.
5 seconds. Yeah, but I was just saying and you were ignoring, but it's so much harder.
Not ignoring.
It's so much harder being a girl.
I know.
Not to be like that, but it is.
I know.
Like, I have to pack all the things. Not even, like, just tampons, if I'm being real, but, like, makeup. And, like, I gotta bring my air wrap and the hairbrush. And, like, you don't have any of that.
Yeah, that stuff is...
And I have a huge case of, like, okay, this is how I think in my head. I need my shampoo. I need my conditioner. I need my hair oil. I need my hair oil that I put in the ends of my hair. I need my hair detangler because my hair is so tangly and it's how I brush my hair after the shower. I also need a heat protectant. I already said shampoo, conditioner. And then I also need a body wash, a body lotion, a face cleanser.
Well, you don't need those things.
No, like I do.
You can go a week without doing those things.
And only Max do. Like a fluff ball. Like I would be frizzy and Max is like,
jump in the pool.
Max has a couple t-shirts and is like, oh, I'll use like the shampoo and the body wash or whatever that's there.
Oh yeah, I don't even need to pack any
Which is like great for you and all, except I just know my hair and my skin will be peeling and dry. Because I'm not like used to it. It's not the type I use, you know?
Yeah, whatever.
That's only the beginning. Like there's so many things when you're a girl. And then for me in specific, if I'm like trying to shoot all these outfits, gotta get the bags and the shoes to go with, you know what I'm saying? Camera equipment, tripods,
it's a business
chargers. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm done complaining. Love you guys. See you actually on the Cape, little hiatus, little moment on the Cape, and then flying to Laguna. I literally have not been on a plane in so dang long.
Is it gonna be one of those videos surprising my boyfriend first class?
Okay, I was waiting for you to say some shit like that, and the answer is no.
We don't need that. That's
you know what? I probably did have enough miles for that, but I didn't even check.
You did. I think we looked, but...
oh yeah, it would have taken all of my 500,000 miles, which is like ridiculous. Yeah, I did that once.
We don't do that.
That's back when I had to impress you in the beginning of the relationship.
You had to woo me.
No, I'm kidding. But I don't know, I just wanted to back then. Well, that's because also I was extra bougie and like flew first class all the time because I felt like it, and I wanted you to because you never have. But now that we have, it's like been there, done that. Let's just be normal. Like we don't need to spend all our money and unnecessary. And I feel like because I was traveling so much, I had such a weak immune system, and like any type of moment that I could pay to like sleep, I would take it. But now I'm like fine and I don't need that. But do you know what I mean? Like I was traveling so much, it was like worth it to me because I was so tired all the time. Anyway, I'm blabbing. See you guys on the Cape. Good night. Bye.